So what we're looking at here today is a 52-inch white Davenport ceiling fan from 1991. This is a 3-speed electrically reversible fan manufactured by Halsey. Uses a stamped steel 153 by 15 motor. The blades are reversible from bleached oak to white. 12-degree blade pitch. Standard ball socket mount. These things were available with a flush mount kits where you can install them close to the ceiling. There's the info tag on the top. 1991 was the last year for Davenport brand of fans. 1992, the company changed its name to Quorum, and that's what they're known as today. In the early 90s Quorum catalogs, these were called the Classic. They also made a more decorative one with a dented or stamped filigree sideband. They called those the Filigree Classic. These were essentially their builder grade fans of the early 90s. This one in particular came out of a house which was likely put up when the house was built from the early 90s. And this was installed in the living room, great room area on a 3-foot down rod. The white side of the blades was showing down, and it had a polished brass 5-way light on it. I'll say this, that the finish on the bleached oak side of the blades, since they was facing up, has gotten quite a bit of beating from the sun over the years. So the finish has faded quite a bit on these blades. They still look nice, however, but these blades would have had a more pinkish hue to them originally. So, not real much else to say about it. Let's go ahead and start it up and see what it does. Pretty average low speed here. Motor hums a little bit. And the fan also has bearing noises as well from wear and tear from over the years. Take it to medium. And here's high. Oh, brain fart. Here's high. Thinking this thing was a Casablanca for a second. Pretty smooth runner on high speed, doing somewhere around 190, 200 RPM. Moves a decent sum of air. You can hear them bearings hiss around a little bit. They are definitely in need of some more grease. And we'll go ahead and let it coast. And that's all I got, folks. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch white Davenport Classic ceiling fan from 1991. Thanks for watching. We'll be seeing you next time. Take care. Peace.